Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This Volkswagen Polo 3-door here is available in the popular SE variant, powered by a 1-litre petrol engine with 60 PS of power, and also finished in a lovely looking deep black pearlescent paint. An ideal first car for a new driver on the road, it will provide plenty of economy and fuel efficiency, as well as decent pulling power for all your family and friends. Key equipment highlights will include the benefit of rear audible parking aid, as well as daytime running lights near the front fog lights to keep you illuminated on the road. Multi-spoke silver alloy wheels will contrast the black colour nicely, and the boot space can easily swallow a few suitcases and a week's worth of shopping with a 60/40 folding split seats, hooks for your shopping, split compartment, and even there's space for a spare wheel just in case. Although a 3-door, it's incredibly easy to get in the back. A simple pull of a lever will unlock seating for 3 in the back with this stylish two-tone cloth upholstery, and there are even 2 Isofix jet anchor points. In the front, leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, as well as front sport seats will offer additional side lumbar support, maximising comfort for both those short and long-distance journeys. Once behind the wheel, the driver can enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction wheel, operating radio information as well as the trip computer up ahead. It will display driving data such as digital speedometer to complement the analog dials, but there's so much more to enjoy with the likes of DAB radio as well as Bluetooth telephony. The 8-inch composition media features touch-sensitive controls as well as various shortcuts. AM, FM and DAB digital radio can be enjoyed, as well as media source inputs such as those displayed on the screen. Pairing your phone is also incredibly easy and will unlock both Bluetooth telephony and audio wireless streaming, whilst the sound system can even be optimized to individual tastes, which will appeal to many of you. Various car functions will allow you to optimize this Polo to truly make it your own, and to keep you cool for the summer, easy-to-use air conditioning is available with various media inputs and cup holders. RAC Extended Warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.